What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife in from Kizer. This is the Mad Tanto. This is a Damn Designs design. Kizer has apparently taken over to do it as kind of their own little knife. So let's get to a close-up of it. So there's your information. 3¼ inches. Mad Tanto. Damn Designs. And your number. Okay, very cool. Looks like somebody was a little rough with the box. Okay. So we have a chili pepper knife sticker. Swag's chili, okay. Kizer sticker. Basic, I'm sure, Kizer information. This is sharp. Do not cut yourself. And we have our typical rag. So very cool. Can never have enough of those. Okay. Very nice. And what we got here? A little couple extra screws. Those are always handy in case you lose your hardware. Ooh, yeah. So we got Micarta. Just throw that around. So, oh yeah, it's very grippy micarta too. I love how they did the backspacer there too. Now everybody says there's always way too many button locks being done these days, but I'll tell you what, maybe not so much in the Tantos. Nice and lined up. Got a little bit of a swell on the other side from the spring, from the button lock. So very cool. Okay. So this is good action with the button lock. So you could actually slow roll it with the button lock. Flips good. Get a nice stonewash Tanto blade there. Very, very nice. This is in 154 cm, if we can pick that up on camera. We've got the Kizer logo, and then we have the Damn Designs logo over here, then the Mad Tanto. Nice deep carry pocket clip, recessed screws. Oh, very nice. Nice action on the button lock. Yeah. It feels great in the hand, that micarta all the way around. We do have some steel liners in there, and they are holes. Got big holes through them to lighten it up. So very, very cool. Yeah, it feels good in the hand, not too heavy. Nice and grippy. That micarta is it's gonna that very nice fabricy micarta. The good thing is that it will patina. Bad thing is some people may not care for the patina that they end up putting into it. But yeah, very nice. That's very nice action. The button lock. No blade rock or anything like that. No detent lash or anything like that. Whip it and yeah, still stays closed. Very, very nice. Got a nice razor sharp edge. So yeah, very impressed. And I don't ever get enough of button locks. I mean, these guys all want to sit there and say that there's too many button locks out there. Well, not with Tanto blades. So maybe with other knives, but not with Tantos. This channel doesn't get too much button locks, and especially good ones. And this definitely seems just a slight little bit of stick, but that will get better over time. Just a slight little bit as you press it, but like I said, that will get a little bit better over time. It's not super severe, but it is a little noticeable. But either way, press the button, you do get an action, and that is nice. That pocket clip looks okay. Could be a little on the taller side on this end. Looks like it kind of slopes a little bit to where this part up here is a little higher than here. So it could be a little bit higher back here. I mean, that's right where your jeans, if you're wearing jeans, that's going to be a little tight. There's going to be a little extra pinching going on there, but other than that, not too bad. I can feel the pocket clip, but it's not a hot spot, so it's not a terrible pocket clip by any stretch of the imagination. They also did a really good job with very minimal hardware, I gotta say. I mean, give you 3 screws. So basically the only screws is this one right here, and then the 2 for the pocket clip. And then obviously in here we have a captured pivot with the Damn Designs little shape there. And so obviously the pivot's obviously holding this end all together. So very minimal hardware, very cool, very nice, like it a lot. That is a very nice knife. So there you guys go. That is the new Kizer Mad Tanto, a Damn Designs design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.